Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we've got something special for all you DIY enthusiasts, electricians, and anyone who loves working with electronics. We're diving into the AstroAI Multimeter Tester, the best multimeter for electronics available on the market right now. This digital multimeter from AstroAI is a game-changer when it comes to testing and troubleshooting electrical circuits.
It's packed with features that make it an essential tool for both professionals and hobbyists. Stick around because we're about to uncover why this multimeter is a must-have in your toolkit. Let's kick things off with the product description.
The AstroAI Multimeter Tester is a versatile device that accurately measures AC/DC voltage, DC current, resistance, and diode. It's designed to tackle industrial and household electrical issues with ease. From household outlets to automotive circuit troubleshooting, this multimeter has you covered. Now, what sets this multimeter apart? Check out the high-quality LCD with 3.5 digits, providing a clear and accurate readout of your measurements. It updates a remarkable 2 times per second, ensuring real-time data for quick assessments. Safety is paramount, and AstroAI knows it. The multimeter comes with a double ceramic fuse that's anti-burn and provides overload protection. Plus, it has a silicone cover to prevent damage and electric shocks. When the battery is running low, the low battery indication will give you a heads up. But wait, there's more. This multimeter offers features like data hold, a low battery indicator, and even a continuity buzzer. And let's not forget the LCD backlit screen, making it a breeze to use in dimly lit areas. One important thing to note: make sure to set the multimeter to the correct setting before testing. It's designed for troubleshooting various automotive and household electrical problems safely and accurately. Now, if you're looking for even more functionality, there's a newer version available, the AstroAI Digital Multimeter, Voltmeter. It offers additional features like non-contact voltage functions and more.
So, be sure to check it out.
And hey, if you're thinking of expanding your toolkit, AstroAI offers some fantastic bundles with this multimeter, including test leads and other accessories. You can save big on these bundles, so don't miss out.
Let's hear what customers have to say about the AstroAI Multimeter Tester.
Customers love the solid build, user-friendly instructions, and the fact that it includes a battery. It's been praised for its value for money, making it a smart investment. Whether you're a musician testing cables, a DIY enthusiast working on household projects, or an electrician in need of a reliable tool, this multimeter can handle it all. So there you have it, folks. The AstroAI Multimeter Tester, the best multimeter for electronics you can get your hands on. Don't miss out on this versatile and reliable tool.
Click the link in the description to grab yours now. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest product reviews. See you next time.